Hello everybody, I'm D Polo here. Please excuse the poor quality of the video, but I was not expecting to film today. I'm at Range USA, as I always am, and I found this in the used gun cabinet, which I was not expecting to do. And this is the new Sig P320, and I believe it's from the AXG line, but it's definitely an X line, and this is the Spectre Comp. And it is from their Custom Works department, shop, as you can see there. And it is absolutely loaded with features. And for you guys at YouTube that have taken a break from reviewing the videos of kittens, this gun is 100% factory stock. It has not been modified in any way. So taking a look at it here, and again, excuse the quality of the video, 21 round mags. It's got a mag well, and this, obviously geared towards competition, but it's got the tungsten infused laser grip, and it's got the Spectre grip module. You can see here the stippling, the gold, as you've seen in other of the Spectre Comp, the flat trigger. And as you move here, this is where you can see the bread and butter of this gun, and that is the Comp with, of course, night sights. Taking a look here. And I'm horrified to see what the quality of this video is going to be, but this is not my gun. I don't think I'm going to buy it. There are the night sights, and I wanted to bring it to you before it got sold because I'm sure this is not going to last. So optics ready, of course, and there you can see the Custom Works, the gold trigger, 4-slot Picatinny rail, and there it is. So I wanted to show it to you. MSRP is around $1,500, and I think this one used is going to be very close to that, simply because you can't find them. But I wanted to show it to you, and I want to get your opinion and your thoughts. What are your thoughts on this pistol? Would you spend $1,500? My understanding from the humble marksman is that it's not really legal in many circuits of competition. I don't know anything about that. So, except for 3-gun. So what would you use it for? And would you buy it? Show you the top. Anyway, very interesting. Just comes in this box with two 21 round mags. The mag well is removable. But let me tell you, one thing I can tell you, it feels fantastic in the hand. So there it is, the new Sig Spectre Comp, P320 Spectre Comp. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to your comments. God bless.